Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Hello guys, good morning. Hope you can enjoy your day. My name is Negeri. I am from Electronic Engineering State of Politeknik Sriwijaya 2016. I will show you how to soldering on the PCB board to radar LED. Let me begin. Okay. I will practice how to configure PCB board with radar LED circuit tools and material used. 1. Solder. 2. PCB board that has been made circuit pad. 3. Load pad. 4. Wire brush. 5. Tissue. First, step clean. First PCB board using wire brush. Second, wipe the PCB board that has been brushed so it does not get dirty. Then apply load fat on the radar LED circuit on the PCB board. Next, the last one to hold a radar of the radar LED. Boleh berbuat cepat. Okay, radar LED circuit ready for in pairs of electronic components. Thank you for attention. Wassalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.